Hey, greetings and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to work on the third and the final part, push to GitHub using SSH Key, part 3, push your code up to GitHub. Right, so please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, reach out to me in the comment section for any helps, tips, and suggestions. So what we want to start out by doing is we want to go open up Git Bash. Right, and we want to go ahead and start up the SSH agent. And then I can't use, it should already be started, but I'm going to go ahead and start it again. And hopefully it handles gracefully and we have a single thin instance of this SSH agent. Alright, and now we want to go ahead and add the path to our private key. ID ED25519. Alright, so once you see that, you should see that your a message indicating that the identity was added. So now what we want to go ahead and do is open up etc ssh config, which I have open in here. And basically what lives here is a configuration, right? There's several configuration files involved when it comes to SSH. This is one of them, right? And now the identity file is something that you could provide as many identity files as you would like, because GitHub may be using private and public key, but you may have other software using private public key, right? So we want to go ahead and we want to comment out this line where it's a path to identity file, right? So now we have two ways for things to recognize. So now we have our SSH key added to our SSH key agent, and we have the identity file, which is also a private key, known as a private key, in the Git configuration SSH config. So now what we want to do is we want to go over to our terminal, and we want to run these commands, right? I'm already up to this step, so I'm just going to go ahead and reset. And then I want to remote add the origin, and I want to go ahead and add the Git URL, like so. Do that. I think I forgot. And now what I want to go ahead and make we'll call it files.3. I'm pretty sure there's some files already in this. Got some sort of error. Unknown swish -m. Or I need to put a semicolon between things. And then here it starts off at the master branch. Okay. Right, and now we see everything pushed out right via Git. So now if we check, right, you see we have a couple files, especially the new file that we made. Right, so that is the end of the series. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Also, reach out to me in the comment section for any help, tips, and suggestions.